Hello guys, Will here. Now here with an intro of Quimper West level crossing in Quimper, which is the capital of Finistère. This crossing has halogen lights. There's a bell there. You have a barrier here. And there's a weight on there. There's the back of the lights. SNCF it says on the back there. Pause if you want to read that. You have wooden crossing floor. And you can see this crossing's got 3 tracks. So there's one there, and one there. There's a station there. There's that sign there. That too. And there's this set of lights here. There's the back of it. And over here, you have the other set of lights here. With the bell as well. Alston. There's some, like a phone thing here. That's on there. So they're all halogen. SNCF there. That there as well. Someone's left a bottle there. There's the weight there. And there's the back of this set of lights. That's on there. And there's the motor for the points. David? There's the wooden crossing floor. You have that sign there. Alston on that motor there. There's the phone thing here with the solar panel. That's on there as well. And there's this set of lights here. I'm not exactly too sure what line this is on, but down there, like I said just a moment ago, is Quimper Station. And up there, I think goes to somewhere. I'm not sure where.